Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. Welcome to today's video. How do you even do a pancreatic cleanse, and is it really a thing? Well, if you think about it, your pancreas is in charge of burning or making sure to producing the hormones that will metabolize everything you are eating every single day. The breads, pasta, the sugar, everything you consume is in one way or another has to be, let's say, metabolized with what the pancreas is producing. Insulin, enzymes, pancreatic juices, everything that is going to make sure that your body can digest food and later on absorb it. So if you are consuming great amounts of, let's say, carbs, sugar, foods that are not good for you in synthesis, then your pancreas is probably struggling. It needs something, or it needs a break, it needs a cleanse to make sure that things go back to normal. So how do you do a pancreatic cleanse? That's what we're going to see in today's video. Number one, you need to cut back on sugar. Remember that the pancreas is the first organ that is going to produce insulin in order for your body to metabolize everything that you are ingesting in the form of glucose. If you have, for example, a high glucose level, your pancreas is going to produce a good amount of insulin in that proportion in order to make sure that it can control the spike of glucose you have in your blood. Now, there's the thing. If your pancreas is not being able to produce the greater amount of insulin you need, it's tired, it's fatigued, and this happens with insulin resistance. This happens with overweight patients. This happens with people that have problems with the great amount of carbs and sugar they are consuming. So what's the first step in order for you to make and do a good pancreatic cleanse? Put the gas pedal, or let's say, stop pressing the gas pedal of that pancreas. Stop eating too much of those sugars, the carbs, and the foods you should not be eating that overstress your pancreas. Your pancreas needs a rest, needs, let's say, for example, intermittent fasting, needs for you to, pull out of whatever you are eating that is over exaggerating in the way you're consuming your food. If you need something natural that will aid your pancreas and make sure that your body can actually help it heal faster, help it relax, help it cleanse, naturally, look for D-enzymes, Probillion, Glucagon, and Appleizer from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number two, you need digestive enzymes. The pancreas produces something called a pancreatic juice. Within that juice, right beside the duodenum or your stomach, it actually is in charge of releasing these pancreatic enzymes. Now, if you're eating great amounts of food, then obviously it has to produce more of the enzymes in order to digest whatever you are eating. The thing is that if you don't help it out at some point or another, it burns out, it stresses out. It becomes inflamed. This is a chronic inflammation that might happen with everything you're consuming or over the years. And you never know exactly when your pancreas is suffering or not because it doesn't have any pain receptors. But the way you can do a good pancreatic cleanse is by giving your body enzymes, giving your body bile salts, giving everything that digestive system might be needing and the pancreas should be producing and that it's not because it's tired, in order for you to digest food, in order for you to give that pancreas a rest. So if you need something natural, make sure that you eat something that is fruity, like papaya, for example, which contains papain, something like pineapple that contains bromelain and other enzymes found in nature. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for D-enzymes, Probillion, look for GI Balance, and Metathyroid from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Remember that eating a diet that is high in enzymes, in this case, everything that is vegetables, colorful fruits, these will all help because there are natural enzymes within these foods that will help you digest it easier and make that pancreatic cleanse the way you want it. Number three, you need lots of water. Now, if you have gone through, for example, a chronic pancreatic inflammation or an acute pancreatic inflammation where your life is on the line, really, you have to notice that maybe when you were given medications, one of the things that doctors told you is you need to eat lots of water, you need to keep hydrated, lots of water, and at the same time, cut back on foods. Why foods? Again, because your pancreas is in charge of producing all these pancreatic juices, enzymes, whatnot, that will make sure that your body can digest food. So if you cut back on foods, if you do intermittent fasting, this will give your pancreas the time to relax, to take it easy. You're drinking lots of water, you're keeping hydrated, that circulatory system is functioning, and at the same time, you're relieving your pancreas of the duties it has that at the time may not be the things you want. So in order to do a good pancreatic cleanse, again, reduce carbs, reduce sugars, and start drinking lots of water. Make sure that you actually have your body functioning properly also with that metabolic rate, with circulation, with oxygenation. These are all very important. So go out, take a walk, do some exercise, breathe. Breathing activities will all help. If you need something natural that will aid your body with that antioxidant substance you might be needing, in order for your pancreas also to see a good, let's say a good supplemental form in order for it to make sure that it can relax, look for Antioxi Pro, Oxy Elixir in capsule form, and Ultra C1000 from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. These are all very important things, by the way, that can help you greatly if you give your pancreas a time to heal and you're doing that pancreatic cleanse. Number 4, you need to relieve your body of fats and give it antioxidants. Remember that when inflammation is kicking in the body, all our tissues, pancreas, liver, everything in general is going to see the oxidative process, and the pancreas is not different. When you're relieving it from food and especially also from fat, because that is one of the things that is going to activate that metabolic rate of the pancreas, sugars, carbs, and fat, you need to give it something also that will relieve its oxidative stress. You need something that is an antioxidant. I always tell my patients to eat foods that have enzymes in them with them, so like pineapple, papaya, maybe even celery juice, beet juice, all these will help. But at the same time, you need something stronger, maybe something like turmeric, maybe something that has a good potential as an antioxidant fruit. But remember that food and cutting back on foods is very, very crucial. So fats, goodbye. If you need something natural that might help you with this, maybe something as an antioxidant that can actually kick in and help your body recover from what you're seeing happening, look for Kirkue Health Antioxi Pro and Bright Caps Thistle Essence from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. And don't forget to give this video a like button. Don't forget to share with someone that might be needing a pancreatic cleanse. And this is very, very important if you're going through maybe pre-diabetes, diabetes. This will also help, by the way, because you're giving your pancreas a time to get back on its feet. I'll see you in the next video.